Hello, help me change this faucet head with our Gemmove Multi Ionizer Head. Make sure you don't let go of the hose. All you have to do is remove the part if it's not necessary, or add the part if it's necessary. In this case, I don't need it, but I still need the part with the net so no particles can go in and clog the ionizer. If your faucet is different than this and it doesn't seem to fit, you might need to get parts from a hardware store to make sure it fits like this. You can see the pressure is really good. This is where you would drink. And the spray part is where you would wash dishes without soap.